For almost 5,000 years, Hindus have been performing yagnas, or Vedic fire rituals, for universal well-being, for a world filled with peace, harmony, personal and collective progress. Yagnas were often performed to mark the commencement of grand humanitarian projects, or the public offering of a home, school, community center, or house of worship. Yagnas brought communities together by encouraging families to offer bhakti, seva, and dan. The North American Vedic Mahayagna is the first of its kind in the West. It is a 3-month-long ritual rooted in the Vedic Hindu tradition that brings together thousands of people in person and virtually at the Swaminarayan Akshardham in Robbinsville, New Jersey. It celebrates the public offering of a Hindu Mandir that is a symbol of selfless service, peaceful coexistence, and timeless Hindu spirituality. Swaminarayan Akshardham represents an Indian American identity that is respectful of others and proud of its own glorious traditions. Akshardham memorializes Hindu values in ways that are relatable and beneficial to our future generations.
અત્યારે હવે યજ્ઞનું આયોજન કર્યું છે. યજ્ઞ એ આપણી પ્રાચીન સંસ્કૃતિ છે. એનાથી વિશ્વમાં શાંતિ પ્રસરે છે. આખા અમેરિકા દેશમાં અને આખી દુનિયામાં શાંતિ પ્રસરે, બધા જ સુખી થાય એવી પ્રાર્થના આપણે કરવી. સગા સંબંધીઓને પણ આ લાભ અપાવો. આ તો ખરેખર મહાયજ્ઞ થશે. આ યજ્ઞમાં જોડાનાર તમામ ભક્તો ભાવિકોને મહારાજ તને મને ધને સુખિયા કરે એ જ આશીર્વાદ.
You can partake in this celebration by being a Yagna Yajman in person or from the comfort of your home. In a time where people and communities are searching for unity and peace, we invite you to join us in a traditional prayer for peace within and around.